how to download and update Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to download and update the Realtek HD audio driver, then what you need to do is first open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to simply search for Realtek HD audio driver TechSpot. And once you search for it, you will get this kind of interface. You just need to simply go with the first option. Once you go with the first option, now here you will have the driver of 2.82, right? The latest Realtek HD audio driver is version 2.82. And in my testing, there's some sort of bug with this version where the Realtek HD audio manager isn't included. So if you want to install or update to the latest available version of the Realtek HD audio driver and you don't care about having the Realtek HD audio manager, then you can go ahead and download this version of 2.82, or it might be a later version in the future. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be installing another version which will have the Realtek HD audio manager included, and you can still follow the same installation steps. So I'll be going to related drivers option, and under related drivers, I'll be choosing 2.81 for Windows, and it will take you to the same kind of interface. You can simply choose the download options of Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, or 32-bit only. So I'll be choosing 64, or you can simply choose the 64 or 32, which has both that options. You can go with the upper right, which has that download option, where it will start the download process. You can go with full download history and click on download unverified file, and it will start the downloading process. And here it says that so it might just takes a few minutes. So simply wait for a few minutes till it downloads. And once it's downloaded, you can simply double click on it and it will open. And after that, it will start the installing process. So in this way, you'll be able to download and install the Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.